Cabinda X. Welcome back to Cabinda Examples. The question is, how can we change the color for a sketch in SolidWorks? There are a few ways that we can do this. So let us create a quick sketch. Let's draw a rectangle. We're not going to define it. And let's exit this sketch. So if we want this to be a different color outside of sketching, when we are finished sketching, we can right click on sketch and navigate down to sketch color, and we can select any color that we need, maybe a yellow or a red. Okay, and then let's say we are in sketch, so let's edit our sketch, and I want this line to be red. How can I make this line red? Okay, so if you right click on your ribbon and you go down to toolbars, there's something called line format. Okay, so if you click on line format, you can, so let me take mine off and I click on it. So you can actually move this anywhere. You can move it below here, you can move it to your right, you can move it to your left, but I'll just drop it over here for now. And I want to change the color of this line, so if I click on that line and I click here, I can now change the color of that line. Let's say I need it to be red, I can make it red. Okay, if I want to change the line type of this line, I can do it the same way. I make it thicker, and I can make it maybe broken. Okay, and let's fully define this sketch now. We won't key in any dimension, and let's give this a height. So let's say we are creating a complex geometry. This is one way that you can define certain things in SolidWorks, by simply changing our sketch display, and if we exit this, everything will be red. You can even come here, select this line outside of the sketch itself, and make changes to it. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this helped. Bye for now.